On this video, we're going to show you a very simple solution for any sink that you may have that's going to make it not only functional, but aesthetically pleasing. Stay tuned for the whole video. Hey everybody, on today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick and simple fix to make your sink look better than it is. So this is a granite countertop, and for whatever reason, they left these stainless steel drains, but we found these. These are very simple matte black strainers that you can drop right in, and not only are they functional, but they make the sink look better. And they come in stainless steel, gloss black, and matte black options. Doesn't matter if it's hair, pieces of onion, fruit, or anything else, it just gets caught. And it's even easier to empty. They also provided us with 2 additional strainers that look great in vanities like this. Now, if you have long hair or your spouse has long hair, don't worry about plugging up the drain because it will catch it right away. Simple but effective. Thanks for watching.